When a company finds itself in the crosshairs of short sellers, its reaction can speak volumes about its underlying health and leadership. It's a critical moment that often reveals the true character of the business. Typically, you'll see one of two distinct approaches unfold. On one hand, we have what could be called the Playbook of Hope. This is often the path taken by a company with fundamental weaknesses in its business. When faced with the pressure of short sellers, the management may try to create a distraction. This can manifest in several ways, such as issuing strongly worded press releases or even executing a reverse stock split to artificially inflate the stock price. In some instances, they might file high-profile lawsuits against the short sellers, alleging illegal manipulation. Now, a lawsuit isn't always without merit. If a company is genuinely the target of a malicious short and distort campaign, legal action can be a necessary step to uncover evidence and defend itself. However, for investors, a lawsuit should be viewed with caution. It can sometimes be a tactic to shift blame and create an external enemy to hide internal failings. The crucial question to ask is this legal action supported by a strong and growing business, or is it a smokescreen for fundamental problems? While a lawsuit might signal a company's intent to fight, it's strong quarterly reports that ultimately determine the winner. In stark contrast is the Playbook of Execution. This is the response you'll see from a strong, confident company. Instead of getting into public disputes with short sellers, they channel their energy into their business. They focus on achieving their stated goals, improving their financial health by cutting cash burn, and strengthening their balance sheet. They maintain open and transparent communication with their investors. The most powerful defense against short sellers is and always will be flawless execution. A healthy company lets its performance, reflected in solid quarterly reports, speak for itself rather than engaging in public battles.